Good morning to all. I am Kartika, Department of BCA. Today we are discuss about DBMS. DBMS means Database Management System. What is database? The database is a collection of interrelated data which is used to retrieve, insert and delete the data efficiently. And then it also used to organize the form of the tables and then schema, etc. Examples of the database. The college database also organized the data about the admin, staffs and then students and then faculty members, etc. Database management system. We discuss about database management system. Database management system is a software which is used to manage database, for example MS SQL, Oracle, etc. It is very popular communicational database which is used to different applications. Characteristics of DBMS: provide security, self-describing of the database system, support multiple views of data, and then database also allows entities of the table. Applications of database management system. The application of database also used in the banking, airlines, universities, telecommunication, and then finance, sales, manufacturing and HR departments. Next, types of database: hierarchical and then network and then relational and then object oriented. These are the four types of database management system. And then first one is hierarchical database management system. Hierarchical database model is organized in tree-like structures. Data is stored hierarchically. Top-down approach also format of the data. Data is also represented using to the parent-child relationship. Next, network model. Network model database also each child have a multiple parents. It is helps to address the need to more complex relationships. And then relational model. Relational model database most widely used database model because one of the easiest way of the taken rows and columns of the database management system, and then manipulating the data is very easily to approach SQL. And then object oriented model. Object oriented model also stored in the form of objects. Its structure is used to called classes which display the data within a table. And then types of database architecture. DBMS architecture is three types of architecture is available. First one is one tier architecture, and then two tier architecture, and then three tier architecture. Another one is data models. Four types of data models are available and then available in the DBMS. First one is relational database model, and then second one is semi-structured model, and then third one is entity relationship data model, and then fourth one is object oriented data model. Database languages. The database languages DBMS also express the database queries and updates. Database language can be used to read, store, update and the data in the database. And then types of database languages. First one is DDL. Next one is DCL. Third one is DML. Fourth one is TCL. First one, data definition language. It is also called DDL language. It's also taken four types of categories. One is create, to create the object of the database, and another one is alter. Alter also used alter the table. Next one is trap. Trap is also used to trap the table. And then truncate. Truncate it also used to remove the all records of the table. and then rename also used to rename the table, and then comment. Comment means to take the comment of the table. Next, we are discussed data manipulation language. Data manipulation language also stand for DML. It is also used first one is select, and then to select the retrieve the data from the table, and another one is insert, to new data also insert the table, and then update is also existing data to change the another data. Delete particular data is deleted from the table. Next one is data control language. It also retrieve and stored in the received data, and then it also two taken queries are included. First one is grant and revoke. Grant also to permit the database. Revoke also used to permission of the database. And then transaction control language. It also to change the made of DML statements. And then it two taken the queries. One is commit, and then another one is rollback. One is commit is used to save the transaction. Rollback is also taken the original in the original data and the restore. Advantages of DBMS. First one is controls database redundancy, and second one is data sharing. Third one is easily maintained. Fourth one is reduce time. Fifth one is backup. Sixth one is multiple user interface. Disadvantages of database. Cost of hardware and software. It is size, and then complexity, and then higher impact of the failure. Thank you.